In this video, we're unboxing and installing the front right window regulator for Honda Civic 2010. This is the front right window regulator. The following are the tools required for replacing the front right window regulator: medium Phillips head screwdriver, trim removal tool, small 10mm deep socket, small extension bar, small ratchet wrench. Using tape to assist with removal and installation, open the door. Use a trim removal tool to pop out the window switch panel. Take out the switch. Disconnect the connector. Use a Phillips head screwdriver to remove the door panel screws. Remove the screw. Remove the other screw. Use a trim removal tool. Pry along the edge of the door panel to pop it loose. Once all the clips are loosed, lift the door panel up and off. Pry the door handle clip. Push the door handle outward. Feed the door handle out through the opening. Remove the door panel. Plug the window switch connector back in. Turn the vehicle ignition on. Rotate the window bracket, mounting bolt to the access position. Use a small 10mm deep socket with a small extension bar and a small ratchet wrench. Remove the bolts holding the window bracket. Remove the bolt. Remove the other bolt. Lift the glass up. Use tape to hold the glass. Unplug the motor connector. Use a trim tool to remove the wiring harness clip. Use a small 10mm deep socket with a small ratchet. Remove the 4 window regulator mounting bolts. Remove the bolt. Take out the window regulator. Here is the comparison of old versus new window regulator. The reason we're replacing it is because the cable on the old regulator was worn out, which causes noise when the window went up and down. Now let's install the new window regulator. Before installing, we need to remove the protective cap from the motor connector. Install the window regulator. Once the mounting bolt holes are lined up, install the mounting bolts. Use a small 10mm deep socket with a small ratchet wrench. Tighten down the 4 regulator mounting bolts. Snug them up. Reinstall the wiring harness clip. Plug the motor connector back in. Turn the vehicle ignition on. Adjust the window bracket to the installation position. Peel off the tape. Slowly lower the glass. Line up the holes. Once the holes are aligned, install the glass bracket mounting bolts. Use a small 10mm deep socket and small extension bar with a small ratchet wrench. Tighten down the glass bracket bolts. Snug them up. Once everything is installed, test the window to make sure it's working properly. Remove the window switch panel, disconnect the connector, feed the door handle through the opening, align the handle and snap it back into place, pull the window switch connector, press the top of the door panel down along the glass channel. Once the clips are aligned, tap the door panel firmly to pop in. Use a Phillips head screwdriver to install the door panel mounting screws. Install the window switch connector and install the window switch panel. Close the door.